Okay, so I have the spam file here and I want to log into my EC2 server from AWS using the spam file. Let's try it. So I enter this command that is using this spam file to log into my EC2 server, and I get this error, warning unprotected private key file. Now there are a couple of ways to fix this, but the method that I'm showing to you should work for everybody. So right click on your PEM file or your private key, click on properties and go to security. Here you'll see a bunch of groups or usernames. Click on edit. Now first thing is you remove everything, okay? Click on every user or every group and you just remove it. Okay, this was an error. I thought this was asking me, are you sure you want to remove it? So first you have this, if you get this error, what you can do is just click on advanced, and from here click on change permissions and click on disable inheritance. Okay, and click on remove all inherited permissions from this object, and now just click on apply. Okay, and now click on OK. Now right click and click on properties, go to security, advanced, and now we just need to give permission to read this file and write this file. Okay, now let's make our current user the owner. So just click on change, click on advanced, here click on find now, and here you'll see administrators and administrator. So just click on administrators, click on OK, click on apply, click OK again, and now let's check the properties again. And let's give, now let's check our properties again, and in advanced, okay, not in, go to security and click on advanced and click on continue. So basically we are adding a permission, and in permissions you must have only administrators. Okay, if you have some other users, just click on them and remove them. And now if you only have administrator, if you don't have administrator, if your permissions look like this, just click on add and click on select a principal. Here type administrators, click on check names, and this will pop up. Now click on OK and give these two permissions, that is read and execute and read, to the administrator. Click on OK and click on apply, click OK, click OK, click right click on it and go to properties again, and it's the same here. Now since this file is only readable by the administrator, you will need to open terminal as the administrator, right? So press your Windows key and type CMD, click on run as administrator, and now go to your directory where you have the file, or you'll have to enter the full path. In any case, I'll just go here. Now I am inside the folder that contains this. Now just enter this command ss. Enter the command that uses that private key to log in. Hit enter, and this time, as you can see, we are inside the server. So this is how you can fix a permission denied or keys to open error in your private key. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.